Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how you can create a new invoice for the payee for their prepaid audits or audits which are already completed. Let's see how this works. Here we will use the job which is already created in our video for creation of new job. First, open the Nelone Project Management from the app launcher. Open the Outstanding Invoices tab. Here it will display a list of all companies for which invoices need to be created. Click on Issue Invoice from the menu for the company for which new invoice needs to be created. This will open the UI for new invoice and auto-populate the issue date, due date, invoice recipient, and pay details. The details of the contact which is marked as invoice recipient for the company will be auto-populated in pay details. In the details section, put the invoice number and VAT percentage for the invoice. Invoice number is optional. It will auto-generated if blank. You can also change the due date and issue date. In Invoice By, it will show a list of all bank accounts for the payment. Select the bank account which is applicable for the payee. By default, it will auto-select the bank account which admin set as default Invoice By. In the invoice recipient, it will show the payee contact which was selected in invoiced recipient of account details of payee. You can change it if you want, and pay details will be changed according to the newly selected contact in invoice recipient. You can provide additional email addresses separated by semicolon in the emails field. By default, it will show invoice recipient contact's email address. These email addresses will be used while sending the invoice via email. In the invoice emails section, if you have any specific notes for the payee, then you can set it in Notes to Customer. If you want to copy the invoice to a few email addresses, then provide those email addresses in CC. Set the Exclude from Reminder to True if you want to exclude this invoice from the reminder. You can also set the invoice notification template which needs to be used while sending the invoice via email. If blank, default one will be used. After successfully entering all details, you can click Skip and Save or Next. Skip and Save will save the invoice without any invoice line items. Next will allow you to add invoice line items for the invoice. Click on Next. Now click on Add to add new invoice line items. It will show a list of services related to pay which are not fully invoiced. Select the service which you want to include in the invoice and click on Add. After that, provide the service fees and transportation fees you want to bill in this invoice. If you want to add more details for invoice line items, then click on the Settings icon. Select the fields you want to display and click on Done. Check the Invoice TCS checkbox to True if travel cost needs to be included in the invoice. Let's add other travel fees to the invoice's total amount. Provide hotel fees, air ticket fees, and other fees to generate the invoice. Click on Save. It will show the invoice creation success message. After that, you will see that the invoiced percentage field is updated in outstanding invoices for the services that are included in the created invoice. You can also create the invoice from the Invoice Manager tab. Open the Invoice Manager. Click on New Invoice. Select the payee. Here you can see the same details as we have seen while creating the previous invoice in this video. Also, here you can see that newly created invoices are being displayed in the invoice list. You can save, view, and download the PDF of the invoice using the relevant actions of the invoice. Also, you can change the payment status and send the invoice to the payee. Thank you for watching.